It was a well-structured workshop. I think the presenter has some very good background on corporate governance, and this is why he was able to cover so many topics in a very short period of time. And all of us enjoyed the presentation. I think we've learned quite a lot, it all went well. So I would like to thank him for the good presentation and the way he structured his presentation. I thank him very much.
We will always promise service beyond expectations. Indeed, people are happy, as you can see from the responses. And we say thank you, God, for giving us the grace, giving us the ability, and giving us the time and the life to share whatever that we have with these people. I thank you all.